What's going on, Talkadot family? Aurel Moody here. I want to show you an important feature. So a lot of speakers who are on Talkadot, they speak for keynotes. They can also do 2-hour workshops and half-day trainings. So now you can reflect that on your public profile. So here's how you do it. You just go to the talk section and go to My Speech Topics right here. So this is where you can add your speech topics with videos of you speaking. If you create a new speech topic or edit them, just click Edit and then scroll down to this new feature that we have right here. So this is where you can put in the minimum amount of time a particular presentation you give and the maximum amount of time. So you can do half day, full day. So if you do workshops, if you do trainings, you can now represent that. And then when you look at your public profile right here, and you scroll down to your presentation area, it'll actually display how someone can book you for this particular presentation. So go into your Talkadot account, update your time allotment. So go into your Talkadot account, go to your public profile, and make sure that all of the time allotments that are appropriate for your talks are represented on your speech topics. Remember, if you want to talk a lot, get yourself some Talkadot.